Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Tomcat 270 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, right here is the Anderson plug where you charge your machine. So it's broken and we need to replace it. This is how you do it. So you've got your two screws right here that are holding the Anderson plug to the machine, and they're nutted on the other side. So what you're gonna have to do is expose the battery compartment, get yourself a needle nose pliers, come in from the inside, get a hold of the nut, and there's the second one. And now we can pull the Anderson plug away from the machine. Just like that. Okay, now we need to remove the old or damaged Anderson plug from the cables. And I do want to mention that every time you're doing something with the electrical system on your machine, always unplug the battery here, like I've removed the negative side. So what you want to do is take a flathead screwdriver, pop it in your Anderson plug, push down on the little tab on the inside, and pop out the positive and negative wires. Just like this. Now, get your new Anderson plug and just install it. Now there's a negative and a positive on your Anderson plug. Make sure that the negative goes to the negative side and the positive goes to the positive side. And just clip them back in there. Give them a little tug there to make sure they're secure. Okay. And now we just have to put it back onto the machine. Okay, now that we've got the new Anderson plug on the machine there, all we gotta do is tighten down the nut and screw to hold it in place. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.